Sima got mad when he was questioned about her relationship with Kohlube and their breakup, guys, and she says that she's trying to move on, but you guys keep on asking her questions about Kohlube.
Keep saying these names and you're like, oh, Sima didn't move on, oh, Sima this is like, don't do that, guys. It's not nice. Be nice to you. Let's be nice to each other. I'm nice to you, nice to me. Don't do that. Hi, Sima. Sima, I won't try like Ignore negative comments. Yes, definitely. I have to, but also at the same time, it's like, bro, like, can we just move on from those things? Like, we've moved on from that guy. I think, come on, dog. It's one of those things. It's like, come on, guys. It's over. It's shy. Hey, move on.
Yep, guys, that was Sima asking people not to ask about Kohlube again. So guys, I don't know what to take on this one, guys. You can leave the comments down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.